we will not see again. So our team, we have a good story and what we have done, how we help our patients. Our doctors, panel of doctors are here, they will take you through. I welcome our friends from press. I welcome Dr. Paul Ramesh, Senior Consultant, Transplant Surgeon and ECMO Services. Dr. Madan Kumar, Senior Consultant, Transplant Surgeon and ECMO Services. And I'm very, very pleased to welcome our Managing Director, Ms. Sunita Reddy. And also, it gives me I'm very pleased to also welcome other doctors who support ECMO services in our hospital. Dr. Chandrasekhar, Professor Chandrasekhar, who helps on the advanced echo imaging, and Dr. Selvi, pulmonologist, transplant pulmonologist, Dr. Babu Abraham and his team, critical care group, and also Dr. Minnal and her team, anesthetist, and Vasanti, nursing head of the ECMO unit, and supported by nursing director Juliet, and Emmanuel, our perfusionist, the chief perfusionist, and Daphne, dietary department, and Mr. Bhagiraj, who coordinates all support services. I think last 2 years, as I said, that no, we faced huge problem, all of us across the globe. But Apollo, across the country, we quickly came up treating everybody, but we know that the country has gone through a lot of problem. We had oxygen problem, we had beds issue, many hospitals, but we wanted to give the best service, which is something, the best of the best for the patients with COVID affected with the severe lung disease. So I really thank and I'm very pleased our MD is there. So when we were doing everything, all our hospitals COVID, we admitted many patients COVID. We wanted to give the best to even those patients. Apollo always brings best in our country and first any technology to our country, but giving something extremely important is very important, and therefore the ECMO unit we started. Though the ECMO unit was running for different reasons, different need of the patients, like a breach to the transplant, so many other viral infections, other infections. But COVID, this is the one solution can save the life of many patients who are very, very critically ill. So we decided to start our unit for ECMO. Madam is here, our MD, she asked, give the best to the patient. So therefore she sanctioned 15 machines immediately. I don't think anywhere in the country, any hospital had the largest unit in the country. And we had 15 machines running for COVID patients. And patients were coming across the country, not just Tamil Nadu, but everywhere, because this is the one place we had the highest standard, the top class, world class standard of care for ECMO patients. This is a hospital where the outcome is much better than international. It is close to 75%, unimaginable. So that is the outcome we gave, and so it is a mission, and then also people. And we have Dr. Paul, Dr. Madan, Dr. Sundar, and Dr. Babu, and everything, all technicians, nurses. It is not a 100-meter sprint, it is a marathon. It is to run 100 days plus these patients on ventilator, on ECMO is not a joke. So I always see Dr. Madan and Paul, with such an energetic team, very rarely you see, they are transplant surgeons, their adrenaline always up. But to get this ECMO program going, I think I really appreciate their dedication and support to this program, so many patients. And when we see these patients, when they come on the machine for many days and come out and go home, I mean, I think only very few centers in the world would have done that. I think I appreciate entire team for that. And those patients, see, we all breathe, you know, we comfortably breathe. And those patients, that is a struggle. Every breath, they struggle. And in the machine, ECMO, you know, it gives a life, you know, the complete oxygenation. There is a different form of resuscitation. But in the world, the highest form of resuscitation is ECMO for those patients having failed lung. I think Apollo has done great job to many patients, and that's what I said. It's very, very important press conference, and saving so many patients, and the largest ECMO program with the highest percentage of outcome, international standard of outcome is unimaginable and phenomenal. So we have our doctors, they will take you through with all the details and what they have done, the stories, success stories, and there are many patients' testimony to that. And with that, I would like to conclude. And once again, my big thanks and welcome to everyone gathered here. Thank you very much.